if your LG TV could not establish a connection to the access point here and you're wondering what are the things that you could do to fix this, well, there are a few things that you could try. So first is you may want to check and correct your zip code. So you want to press the gear icon on the remote to open settings, then you want to go to general, then go to system, and then go to location. Now make sure your zip code and LG service country match your actual location. And also, you may want to set the time manually here. So sometimes, if the time is incorrectly set, this can cause a problem. So you want to go to general, then you want to go to time and date, and turn off the set automatically and manually set the correct time for your area. And if none of this actually worked, the final and last thing that you can try doing here is to do a factory reset. Now, you want to search online for the factory reset steps for your specific LG TV model. Now, perform the reset, clear system glitches in your LG TV here, and see if that helps. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.